Okay, so today is 6th May 2024 and this is Indian stock market. I was trading in this Gujarat Narmada GNFC stock, and so my analysis was like this. The price was coming straight from this inefficiency here, bearish fair value gap, and also we observed that we had a bullish FBG here. Price has actually crossed this bullish FBG, so in the remaining legs there is no such inefficiencies available, and so therefore to me the next draw on liquidity is this swing low only. So based on that I was bearish in the stock. So in the morning we just observed the price was falling. First of all, it took some buy side here. It took some buy side and then started falling, failed to create any such fair value gap, and then retraces back, then again falling. It did not give any kind of opportunity to participate in because there was no retracement. So from here to here I was just waiting, and then here it gives a fair value gap. Okay, and then retraces to this fair value gap and again creates a fair value gap here. So again creates a fair value gap here. So based on that I was bearish here, so I took a trade, and as you can see the trade actually didn't work out, and before reaching my target it hit my stop loss, and basically for the entire day it just moved up and down and seek and destroy type situation. So nothing that I could have done. The rules were followed and this is the result. Sometimes market is like that only. So this is one stock where I took my loss. So stop loss was hit, and so therefore I moved on to the next stock.